Hi everyone, Misha here. Welcome to the Friday live trading. Um, let's see the markets. Let me just pop out my chat, and you know the drill. Just want it in front of my eyes. Feel free to send me your stock, your setup, your trade, um, and I'll give you my honest opinion. 15th of March, but of course, other than 15th of March, this is the biggest volume. Absolutely nowhere though, the middle of nowhere. This is not the middle of nowhere though. It's one of the biggest volumes. It's the biggest untested volume of the entire. Never mind. Never mind this volume. Is it locked? No, it's not locked. Oh, what's going on? This is weird. This is now the biggest volume. Yeah. This is now what happens. Still need a test. It's in the test now. But we cannot trade it on daily. I think that's it. I think that's like this. Um, I think it's like this. That's what I think. Oh no. Let's make it thin because it's not. It's what I think, but it's not. System shows otherwise, right? So I think it is. My, oh my. Da, 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 da. 13.6. I bet my. Oh, now we know how to watch it. Yeah. No, it's close. It really gave this volume. It really gave this volume. Yeah, it looks good, like reversal. But on daily, it's not like this. Yeah, guys. I don't think so. I think we need to wait for this level to happen. It's a good place on monthly, but on daily, we should put it in an hourly watch. It is an hourly watch. Okay, let's see our trades. This is a good volume. On J&J was letting me out, but I didn't take it. Intel. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. And this level doesn't exist no more. Ay, ay, ay. It is what it is. I'm out of here, at least. Thanks God. I don't know what I'm looking at here. Really. Just grind slower. This is now being the biggest level. I'm glad I'm out of this guy. And it's not even an hourly watch anymore. Let's put it still. Let's keep it on daily, but I'm glad I didn't take this trade. Oh, I'm sorry I left it in my ideas. Should have closed it manually yesterday. I only put in ideas the trades that I take, but that was late in the night, and I'd set it up in my broker, and then I decided to abandon it because if it was to gap, it would have gapped, and I couldn't be entering this deal. But if it didn't, I was not interested in it anymore. So yes, sorry guys, I feel like I let you down. Hope not many people set up this trade. There was some 12 people that side. Yeah, promise I'm not gonna do it again. So if I put a trade in ideas, it means that I took it. And you know me, I do it all the time. It's just yesterday I was late in the night. And there is no way to delete the trade, of course, that you put in ideas, but I could have stopped it manually, canceling the trade. So now it pre-manipulates the ice, expanding ice level. This volume is really, oops, like this. So I got a new tool to check in the volumes. Yeah, this is a transitory extremum. This is transitory extremum. This volume is good. Yeah, Add buy again. Gives me good entry. Add buy again. AMT is now in this balance, short balance. It's in the short balance. It's going down. I'm glad I got out of this trade. Still think it's good on monthly. Can be the case that it went to 0.5. No, this volume suggests that is it like 0.5 test. F. Yeah. This guy still holds. This is broken. Yeah. Is Casey in now? I'm curious. That's a Casey's setup. That's a Casey's setup. Where did I put it? I just put it to the side like this. So it's not into my face. Sorry, Casey. I need my space too. But you know I love you. So I'm sure you're not offended. I think that Starbucks will go at some point. I think it's in a good place. I think it's a good stock. I think it will go. We need to see for the signs of reversal, which there are none as of now. What is this? Yeah. I needed to come here. Volume though comes in. Volume suggests that it might not go there. And this volume is also in our face. Untested part of this volume. Oh, and since that was a transitory extremum, it wasn't a test because it's not the biggest volume, but that's where we are at now. Still good on monthly. Yeah, I needed to come here. Not be able to buy it from hourly without a closed manipulation signal since it's transitory extremum. Just the volume suggests otherwise. The volume suggests that's it's it for. It's not the correction volume. Volume is there, but it doesn't go though. Yeah, and I've played enough this month. I've violated my system enough, so I have to really keep in with my rules. This volume though. Someone bought so much stock, but it didn't go, and that's an extremum. So these guys together, they form an extremum. The biggest volume of of this entire situation. Like here you see someone sold all this volume. I mean, someone bought all this volume and someone supplied, and it collapsed. Was the biggest volume one of the, never mind this last hour of the day, was biggest volume of this uptrend, shorting of thrust, inverted hammer, goes. Yeah, I really needed to come here. This one we already took a look at. So once again, look at its reversing, but it's emptiness. It's emptiness on daily. So it would be only good for like 5-minute trade up to 0.5. So we already reached its potential. That was, yeah, and nothing here. So yeah, unfortunately, I think it has a good chances to reverse here, but it's counter trend on hourly, and there is no level for us on daily. Let's see our daily watches. There is bigger volume on test. And this volume comes in and goes bearish. That's how it plays out now. Yeah. So it manipulates the, yeah, the biggest volume of the trade. Breaks higher. Was there any entry? Oh, gosh. And that was an entry, but volume. We couldn't identify the volume. So thou does, woo, take 2 hour, walk away. Went to 0.5. So this is the biggest volume. So now it's in this kind of motion. And something like that. And look, yeah, it was a counter trend. Potentiality was 2.5. Potential movement range. It went to 0.5. It went down. Well, there is another way to see it, of course. So if this taken as a bearish, bar, so like first short bar, it is like bullish, but if seen as a bearish, that would be the level to watch. But yeah, we'll leave it alone. There's also like there's like a contradiction of daily. There's none actually. Hold on. There is no contradiction because like on a larger scale, this is like a big short trend. But ever since this volume came in, yeah, so it's rather should be seen like this, I think. So it's more like this. Anyhow, we'll see. I'm a bit confused on this one. That might be it. Yeah. Biggest volume of the trend comes in, and then it's successfully upthrusted. Sounds familiar? Because this looks familiar to me. And then this looks like a good reversal. The only support is here. The only support is here. Monthly is good though. But yeah, I think it's a good reversal. Gold just goes. Gold just goes without us. Oops, without us. Absolutely without us. Yeah. Forget about this volume. Where was this volume? Kind of upthrusts it. Oof. Kind of upthrusts it. This volume though. No. So it's a transitory extremum. This doesn't look like a break at all. Manipulation reaction. It's an exhaustion. More so. I think it's an exhaustion. I think I should stay away from this stock. Yeah, this level formed here. Then this volume. I don't know. I feel like I shouldn't be touching this stock at all. Let's put it on hourly watch. Abby says bye-bye. It's nice to meet you. Same deal. Absolutely same deal. Let's watch them, but also let's be real. I don't even... Yeah, I shouldn't be even drawing nothing here. It's like, come on. The whole volume is here, though. The entire volume. This entire volume is here. Still needs to do the miracle. Yeah, the entire volume is in extremum. which is great. However, considering how deep it is, I don't think so. Well, let's keep an eye on this. That's all I can say. Our monthly watches. It's our test level. This volume now. Ten. Our Pepsi. Philip Morris will be a good buy here. Why even am I looking at Vodafone? Just dies. Just dies. Oh, this is good for short. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna check out. That's it. Let me take a look at this guy real quick. I really like this trade. So it's this virtual stop. So I took it on hourly and it didn't go. Could have let me out for money, but I think it's good. Hourly doesn't look that great no more. And I didn't put it to my ideas because it's a foreign market. I don't think you guys are trading there. So yeah, it was after hours, so this spring didn't give us volume. I think it's good. It didn't confirm the reversal, so now it's figuring out. I don't want to hold it. I don't want to hold it like this because there's a bigger volume here. So I want to exit before this volume. So I'm going to hold it. Let me see. And of course, oh, see, I was almost there. I was gonna say that if it hits, let me put the. So if it hits here, then I'll want out. So yeah. So that's where my virtual stop loss really is. So if it goes below here, I want out. But till then, I think it's a 2-bar spring. It's 0.5. I think it's below point. It's below 0.5. It's a good spring. 2-bar spring. It's a test resumption. Yeah, it's a good trade, I think. Okay, this is still a big mistake of mine. I could have gotten out, but after this spring, decided to hold it. Intel, I don't really know. I That's good. Yeah, but there was no volume here. That was the problem. Did they pick it up from 5 minutes? I don't know. I'll need to meditate. You know what I'll need to do soon? I'll need to log in all my trades and see um, from the beginning of the year, first quarter of the year, and analyze all of them. Yeah, I feel like I could have avoided this trade too. Johnson and Johnson's my only fault. I didn't exit it in a timely manner. This guy, there was no signal here. Um, was there any like signal in 5 minutes? This volume came in. I took it in the end of the day. So like this. There was an entry here. Test, retest. By all means. Gosh. If not here, then another entry was. It didn't give an entry here. But yeah, but if I entered here, I think I would have done my. It was a deep spring. So was it in 0.5 though? Hold on. It was close enough to 0.5. We needed a test. Yeah, no, I would have been locked in money the same manner in the stock. Yeah. Anywho, I'm stuck now in here. Made my 2R, but became a little greedy. And that was like stretched above 0.5. Yeah, so I would only be able to take it from 5 minutes. I'll analyze. Yeah, I think I was under the pressure of the real stop loss that I received that day from UPS. And then I started doing mistakes. It let me out from Home Depot. That I'm glad. But Johnson and Johnson didn't move my stuff, which I should have. On this rate, I wouldn't have taken. So it is what it is. Now I'm gonna go start my day. I see you guys in the end of the day. Okay. By the close of the day.